Hello guys, my name is Cole and welcome to Dirt Life. So this is going to be my first YouTube video, and in my channel I'll mostly be talking about me riding dirt bikes, buying dirt bikes, and selling dirt bikes, and I hope you got some.
No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them.
So this is the dirt bike that I just bought. It's a original Extreme Street Stock 88, and it's pretty nice. Goes about 60 miles per hour, starts up second kick, and yeah, it's a really nice bike overall. So, start it up. Only bad thing is, it does not idle. So, someone in the comments below tells me how to do that. Thank you. And the carburetor leaks some gas. So, that's pretty much it. Start it right up. And in this video, I will also be changing the spark plug and changing the oil. Start it up. Pretty good bike. See, it leaks right there, and it leaks right under there. And once I dropped it, and it leaks so much out of that one hole. So guys, if you know what to do with this problem, please put it in the comments. And now I'm just going to show you an overview of the bike. So you guys, as you can see right here, my handlebars, my gas pedal, and my my brakes a little rusty. So nice seat, a really rusty chain. I gotta replace that soon. Going to the air filter, the Extreme motor. It's got some pretty nice tires. The graphics are a little old. I'm going to change them in my next video. Spark plug. That's what it's called. And yeah. Well, it's pretty much it on the bike. But it runs very nice. Hey guys, I just bought this chain lubricant because my chain's rusty and it's rubbing against it. So yeah. Hey guys, what's up? I just bought this new spark plug, so you can come over here. So, for a 4-stroke, your spark plug's located right here. Pull that out, it's right there. And for a 2-stroke, if you have one, it's right up there, if you guys can see that. So yeah. So, what you gotta do, take that out, and you just unscrew it. There it is. Now take a look at these two, guys. What a difference. So let's put this one to the side, and let's screw this one in. Ooh. There it is, guys. That's in. Flip it right in. There we go. Alright guys, so I have not started it up yet with the new spark plug yet. So let's go. First kick, guys. That's a really nice spark plug. This bike, on the other hand, has a really old spark plug and does not start up first kick. There's all this weird stuff on the exhaust, so I'm just gonna sandpaper it off. Alright guys, this is how it looks now. I think it looks a little better. Alright guys, so I'm just warming the bike up for 3 minutes and then let's change it. So first let's remove this glue. Tear it off. Alright, so guys, in here it's just water, and I got this salt. So yeah. It's good. There we go. Alright, that should be good for now. I'm gonna do some more on that. So, put that right there. And now, let's go to this. And this. Alright, let's get all the water out of that. Some water, no soap. Alright, guys, I just washed it and dried it, so now let's put it back on. So you put it right in there. Goes right in, and that's it.